I'll maintain it as English. Okay. And, everything must be captured. Similarly, A002 weekly customer. And the language is English. Now, apart from this, some comments. Let us assume now I have a language field. But what if the system is not prompting me which language it is? If the source is which language it is. And the client has informed you how to deal with the language key. Because the text whatever written is either in German or in English. Okay. Now save this file. I'm not having language from the source file. So here comma delimited. MTXT. Now the file has been saved. I have to load it to data source first. So from source system, Flatfiler is the data source that we are using, right? Now here, create data source for text data, master data text. Right click on application component, select create data source, VDS, TXT.
You are going to create the data source for the texts, right?
Yes. And here data source type is, as we are dealing with the text data.
Okay.
Master data text. Say continue. Give short description. DS for text. Medium.
All the data must mandatory go first to a data source?
Yeah, always, because data source is the very first layer which is taking all the raw data as it is dumped. We discussed about the data flow, right?
Yeah, about staging, right? Staging.
Yes.
So always through the data source first.
Always through the staging. Yes. Select the file. Header rows to be ignored 1. Separated with separated. And separate with comma. Proposal. Load example data. And now
today at work I was loading a file to VPC of like 1.5 million records or something like that.
So,
and we were having some issues And well, actually we load some of them, like one per month, no, about this size. And it seems
Okay.
like with
So
VPC7,
whole month records you will load at once.
sorry,
Whole month records you are loading at once to VPC.
to be 1.5 million.
Yeah. Okay.
To VPC7, Microsoft is capable of exporting really fast. I mean, takes some minutes,
Yeah.
but while uploading to EPM NetWeaver, the performance is really bad. And it seems like the comma separated values, the system takes more time. I mean, if we are working with that amount of data, if the data is not that much, it's fine, it's the same time. But it seems like the system, when reading the files, the comma separated value files, it's hard for him to identify the delimiter, the comma delimiter. So because I don't know why, and we're having some problems there, you know.
Okay.
They're saying that it's better to load it in ASC1
Is?
ASCI, you know, the fixed one, the one that hasn't got delimiters.
Okay. ASCII.